Hi YouTube. Today we're going to be replacing the cabin filter for the AC on a Tesla Model Y. My wife noticed a smell on the AC when she puts it on. She gets in the car, and I went in and checked it out, and indeed it's pretty bad. So looked it up, and it's just a filter. So we're going to go ahead and do that. Hope you guys enjoy this. Okay, so we're gonna move that seat back, and then we're gonna access this panel over here. We're gonna remove it and then take this carpet section out to access the filter. We'll go ahead and do that, and then we'll show you how to change the filter. Okay, so to take this panel, it's kind of simple. You just use the tool that comes with the filter, and you can easily get the little mounting these. You can easily get them out. You get this part first, and then you can get out the whole thing. Now for this section, this is the one that's the most difficult one. You need to start using this tool to kind of get this out, and once you start pulling them a little bit, you can use like a flathead to actually pinch the little white snapping thing, this clip here, and that way you can take them out. Take your time. This is probably the hardest part of this whole thing, and you don't want to obviously break those and cause more problems. So yeah, so just do that and you should be able to take this whole panel out. Okay, once you get the panel out, then you're gonna get that filter out, and it's gonna be this one here, the second one, not this one, this one. Once you get these out, you will be able to pull the two filters out and replace them with the new one. We'll go ahead and do that now. Okay, so we got the filters out. As you can see them here, these are the original OEM filters that came with the car. The car is about 11,000 miles. And you can see that those brown spots, that's actually mold, and probably from all the moisture and humidity here in Florida. But yep, so be glad to replace these. And we're also going to use the cool evaporator cleaner. I'm going to show you guys how to do that, and which product is it. And we're going to spray that in there, leave it for 15 minutes, and then run the AC for a little bit and put these filters in. All right. Okay, so we are now about to spray the evaporator cleaner. This is the product that I'm using. So you can see, you can find this in your local auto parts. You can also find it on Amazon. So basically we want to use this little hose thing to spray it for as deep as we can, and leave it there for 15 minutes to do its thing. And then once that's done, then we can run the AC and pop the filters in. All right, so we'll do that, and then we'll get back to this. Okay, so after 15 minutes of leaving the spray in there to do its thing, what we're gonna do is we're gonna just put the cover back, and once we put the cover back, then we can run the AC for 5 or 10 minutes, just so that it clears everything out, just with the fan, not the AC, and then run it for like about 5 or 10 minutes to clear everything out. Okay, we're popping the new filters in. Make sure that the arrow for the flow is towards you, and they're gonna go like this. Okay, so you already put the first one in. It's a tight fit, and you can see this is the little flat that comes with the filter, and then the other one's going to go on the top. Okay, so we're going to put that one in there and then seal the whole thing and test it out. All right, so this completed the whole filter change replacement. The panels, they not back in super easily, so that was the easiest part of the whole thing. And now you can just turn on the AC and enjoy it. Thank you for watching.